Quail log, September 22nd, 2023. So this morning I woke up to find that I had multiple alerts for motions on my egg cam, and when I brought up the video I found I had baby quail. This is very interesting considering I only put them in lockdown on yesterday, I think. So I only finally got everything moved out and moved everything around so that I had a better view on them and had checked them. And so I didn't expect to see quail this morning. I was expecting possibly tonight or tomorrow morning or somewhere in that time frame, but not this early. But they were here and definitely moving. There's quite a few of them in there. I counted 20 moving around, but as you can see, they're jumbling around quite a bit. So I don't know for sure. There are 36 or 38 eggs in there. I'd have to go back and check to see because I thought I'd made a video on it. So I'll have to see. My biggest problem is this is my brooder right now. It still needs a little extra cleaning and it needs to be put back together. So that's what I'm going to work on today so that hopefully this evening I can move these guys into the brooder. I'm not going to wait until 3:30 tomorrow morning to be 24 hours afterwards. So probably about 10 or 11 tonight, I'm going to move them into the brooder so I don't have to get up in the middle of the night and deal with them. Looks like so far a good majority of them have hatched. So if I lose a few because they are not there, I'm not going to be too upset considering as many have hatched. I'm pretty sure that they were definitely ready to go. So at least that's the current status. I'll try to give more later on as I move them to brooder and get final numbers. So I thought I'd add this to my video so next time when I'm remembering what's going on. Temperature has been usually, I've left it 101 because that gets the inside where at least my Yo-Link has been showing it's about 99.5 most of the time, or fluctuating up to 100 and down to 99. So I'm not too worried about that. But this is what's strange, is that I had this set to 18 days and it currently shows 2 days left. So they were definitely a lot earlier than I was expecting. And so I guess I need to start planning around 16 days instead of doing an 18 or do 17 or something in that time frame. But definitely was not the time frame I was expecting. So everyone is now in the brooder, or at least the ones that have hatched. Most of them are huddling underneath the heat right now. Looks like everyone may have moved back over there. So we'll see how they do. Oh, they were running all around. I realized that I put these on wrong to begin with. I put them on as I would normally put them on if I was allowing them to get into the food. I remembered at last minute after they started crawling down in there that I wanted to put these on upside down, and then they hold that closed so they can't get down in there, even no matter how hard they try, or at least not at this size. So from what I'm counting right now is that we had 12 eggs that didn't hatch or haven't hatched yet. I still have the incubator up here running, so we'll let it go for till tomorrow afternoon and see if any more of these hatch. But we'll see. Don't expect any, but we'll see. So if I have 12 up there, that means there should be 24 down here, I believe. So, and I was when they were running around, I was able to easily count 22. So that sounds about right. We'll try to get a better count later. Fortunately, I didn't count as we were putting them down. We were just trying to throw them around. So this is reassuring, seeing them run over into area and drink from the other water in areas, but they're also swimming in it, so that could be a problem. But that means that they're not trying to stay just under the heat. They are moving around, so I've got the heat at least where close enough that it should be working. We'll see where it goes from there. So they got water both under the heat and away from the heat, and we'll see how they do. Well, I've got quite a few of them running around and moving just fine. We'll see if I have any real splay legs or what I do from here. All right, good night.